Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm happy to see you here again. This would be the Wisdom of the Scales series. I love to say that, Wisdom of the Scales, because these scales are so important. I cannot say more than that. Anyhow, so in today's tutorial, probably you already know that we're gonna continue this series, of course, with two flats. So we did last time the F major, and right now we're gonna do the B flat major. So B flat major, it's a fifth lower down from F major. So F major had one flat, and then right now we're gonna go into the two flats. So to find the which scale has two flats, you go a perfect fifth down from F. If you remember on the sharps, we always did a perfect fifth high going up. Right now we're gonna go down. All right, so B flat major, it will have two flats, B flat and then E flat. Not big deal. It's it's not hard, it's just different than all the others, and I would highly recommend to know this B flat very well, because once you know the B flat, E flat is coming right away, A flat is coming right away, D flat is coming right away. They're gonna be very easy for you to do it, all four scales that are coming next after, all right? So B flat, I'm just gonna play it very easy. You start with finger number 3 on B flat, or with 2, whatever it's easier for you. Anyhow, and then thumb under. And then again under. And then going back, 3 on E flat, and then you finish, okay? B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, coming back, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B. So you will have this block of 3 keys, C, D, E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this one. You know, it's pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4 how we did in F major, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm coming back. So find these keys, get used with it. But if you just learn, you can do that exercise, but you can just learn B flat and E flat. And then remember, you don't need to memorize actually the fingering. Remember, after a black key, after this flat, you're just gonna do thumb under. B flat, thumb under. Thumb under, thumb under, thumb under. I'm not even thinking 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I only know I'm playing what are the black keys that I need to play. Right, and then the other one. And I'm just gonna play the thumb under. Right now going down, I will know that this one is number 3. How do I know? Because it's a short distance from this flat to this flat. So I will need number 3. And then right now, obviously this is bigger distance. That's how I think, you know, I'm trying shortcuts here. You see? And then I need 3 here. So, and 3, and 4, and 3, right? On the left hand, it's gonna happen exactly the same thing, but opposite. So you're starting with number 3, and guess what? We're gonna have 4 here, and then 3. I see 3, 2, 1. So we're having this set of keys, and then this set of keys, this set of keys, and then this one, okay? B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, However, I was thinking of the right hand going up, that it's a black key and number one under. Same thing is happening on the left hand. You go black key, thumb under, black key, thumb under, and then, right? So now is the time for you to stop the video and practice a little bit and get used with how the keys are lay out, you know, with the flats and stuff. Do your little exercise, and then we're gonna put the hands together. Are you ready? All right, did you practice? Right, so let's go. So we're starting like that. And then what is coming up? What is coming up is gonna be number 4 on the E flat left hand. And then immediately number 1 inside of the right hand. And then you're done for 1 octave, right? I'm gonna go again. You see immediately number 1 here, 4 left hand here, under, right? 1 more time, and then I'm gonna go. Good. So going down. Going down, I'm not thinking left hand, I'm usually thinking right hand, because it's gotta be a 3 here, okay, 4 here, this one, right, 4 left hand, 3 right hand, going down. Please practice that for a while. I don't know, never know how much is that while, depends on what level you are. And then you can absolutely, definitely, if you are more adventurous, to go to 2 octaves. If you're just a beginner, just stay with 1 octave. But if you'd like to know 2 octaves, here is how you do it. So 4 here. Now we are on 3 here and then 4 here. Now right hand goes 1, you know, like it was here to the beginning. So left hand goes number 4 there. Okay, 1 more time. 4 left hand, thumb under right hand. Left hand continues with 4. So now it's time to pause the video and just practice going up for a couple of good times, like who knows, 10 times or so. And then right now we're gonna go down. You see what's happening? 4 and 3, like it was on 1 octave. And then pay attention to have number 4 on the right hand on the B flat. Right now, and then immediately is number 1 inside there. I'm gonna go again. You see, so immediately is number 1 here. Number 1, left hand. Comments, you know, down below. If I go too fast, shall I go again? Would you like me to repeat? So please leave your comments so I will know if you can get everything that I'm saying. Okay, so first you're gonna practice slowly. exercise. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And guess which one is gonna come next? Is there gonna be 3 flats? 1, 2, 3. B flat, E flat, and then we're going to an A flat. 3 flats. It's our next tutorial, and that scale is called E flat major. E flat major with three flats: B flat, E flat, A flat. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, like the video, of course, and click the bell button, as I said before, because I am planning to do lots and lots of tutorials for you on this year, maybe even more than 200 or less, or I don't know, but I have big plans with Disney and Chopin and lots of goodies, okay? So stay tuned and see you next time. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go a long way. All our family, friends, and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.